Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Masrat and this is my page Masrat Makeovers, and today I'm here to share something very important related to it. You might have noticed that there are no more pictures available on my page. The reason is that it doesn't feel right to me anymore. It was not earlier as well, but I wasn't that content. But Alhamdulillah, I got the courage to delete all my posts, all my pictures, and I'm very clear today, and that's why I'm happy to share this, that there won't be any more picture uploading, especially of my brides, models, or any makeup related which showcases face. I don't want to be a part of it. Definitely not. I am not fearing about the future, whether work will come. Jitna mere naseeb mein hai, whatever is in my destiny will eventually come to me. I have full faith on Allah, and I'm definitely sure there's something big and better coming for me. Either way, my work works on word of mouth, recommendations, and you people have to recommend me. But yes, I won't be uploading picture. Whether it suffers or not, that is in my destiny. But inshallah, you all will see. I will accelerate. There will be a lot of work, a lot of brides, but behind the camera. I have a small request. Please don't judge me. It took a lot of efforts. It took a lot of efforts to delete 2200 posts, which took around 6 years, and it took me 4 days to delete them. Let's work on being better humans, better Muslims, inshallah. Rizq dene wale Allah Ta'ala hai, and I need your recommendations. No judgment. Yes, I have to learn a lot. I'm learning, and please keep me in your du'as. Jazakallah khair.